गाइस, दिस इज मी राग्या। गाइस, आज की वीडियो में रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ अबाउट द वेबसाइट एंड द वेबसाइट नेम इज स्मिटन। Guys, I have seen lot of videos on YouTube where people are talking about the free sample website, and the website name is smitten.com. So guys, if you're thinking about to buy a good product but you want to try some kind of free sample before buying a product, then obviously you will go this website where you will get a free sample. But this is not a free sample website at all. You have to pay $200. So if you're thinking to buy a free sample, then obviously you will not get any product in free of cost. Obviously you have to pay some amount, and the amount is 200 rupees. So in 200 rupees you will get a 5 points. So I mean, if you're so every product have whatever the product you want to buy, सबका अलग अलग points होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बाय अ टोनर, तो अगर टोनर का 1 पॉइंट है देन यू विल गेट अ 1 प्रोडक्ट. अगर टोनर का 2 पॉइंट है तो आपके जो भी 5 पॉइंट्स बनेंगे उसमें से 2 पॉइंट्स आपके लेस हो जाएंगे, तो आपके पास 3 पॉइंट्स बचेंगे. तो 3 पॉइंट्स में मतलब जो भी आपका प्रोडक्ट्स का पॉइंट होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप बाय करोगे. दो दे हैव प्रोवाइडिंग अ 5 पॉइंट्स, और 5 पॉइंट्स यू विल गेट अ 5 सैम्पल, बट देयर इज अ कंडीशन अकॉर्डिंग द पॉइंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, सो आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ what all the product which I bought from Smitten website, and what is the quantity of the product, and what is the the fragrance and the other things of the product. Though I have mentioned that I got 5 products from Smitten, so let me start with my first product. So the first product is a plum. This is a plum toner, and this is the size of this toner. So obviously I was thinking about to buy some good toner. So when I was searching this website and searching the product on this website, then I found this toner. So I mean, my thinking is that whenever I'm thinking something to buy, so product has a good quantity. So this is my expectation whenever I'm thinking something to buy as a free. So yes, so this I have found so many toner on Smitten website, but the quantity of all the product is less, which I got in Plum. So thus the product quantity is 50 ml. This is quite enough. You can see the quantity. And the fragrance of this product is really very nice. So if you want to try this toner, please go for this. Okay, so the next product which I bought from this website, so this is a scrub, and this is a coffee scrub, and the brand of this product is M Caffeine. So this is in powder form. So this scrub is powder form. This is not liquid based toner, scrub at all. So yeah, if you are a coffee lover and if you want to make you feel happy, then obviously you will go for this product. So this product is very nice, and the fragrance is such a beautiful fragrance, coffee fragrance. Yes, so what the next product I got? So I got this sunscreen lotion. So yes, I was thinking some kind of sunscreen which has a good quantity. So though I buy this product, so this product has a 20 ml quantity, that quite enough. And see, this is the actual size of the product. Okay, so this is the brand of this product is Joy, and this sunscreen is really very good. So this is not a oil based sunscreen at all. So this is water based, and I'll show you the consistency of this sunscreen lotion. Yes, so this is a cream based sunscreen, and it is water based, not oil based. So yes, you can go with this product. All right, so what next I got? So this product, so this is a onion conditioner, and the brand of this product is it's a very typical name. So this is the brand, and this is onion black seed conditioner. Though I was not thinking about to buy a conditioner. I was thinking that this is an onion oil, but by mistake I got this conditioner. So I mean, when I'm thinking to apply conditioner, onion conditioner on my hair, so obviously before applying this, I was thinking to buy another product, and which is onion hair shampoo. So obviously when I buy onion shampoo, then I will try this product. Okay, so what is the next product I got? So the next product I got, this is a face wash, and the product brand is Ayurveda. So this is a face wash, and the quantity of this face wash is something around 20 or 30 ml. I'm not sure about the quantity of this product, but yes, you can see the size. So this is the size of the face wash. Yeah, so if you want to try, then you can try this product. This is good product, and the fragrance of this product something orangish. So if you're an orange lover and if you want something, you know, soothing fragrance, then obviously you will go with this product. Okay, so what next I got? So I got this Mama Earth Upton, though here is mentioned is Upton face mask. So when I was buying this product, I was wondering what is this Upton. I mean, is this not something like besan or haldi wala Upton, और उसको ऐसे ऐसे करके इसको निकालते हैं, something like that. But this is not a, I mean, though here is mentioned Upton, but this is a face mask. People are calling Upton to today's people are calling, I guess, Upton को face mask बोलते हैं. So this is a face mask. It's not a Upton at all. Okay, so face mask, the product fragrance again is very good. If you want to try a Mamaearth product, obviously you will go Mamaearth products because the brand and the price is both are very good. And what else? So I got 5 products. So I'm showing the product one by one. So Mamaearth, this Upton, and then this conditioner, and this toner I got, and this face scrub, body scrub, coffee body scrub, and I got this face wash. So I got 5 product. I mean, in Mamaearth, as I you know, I got 5 point from this website. And what else I got? I got another 2 products. This. So this is free sample. I mean, here you don't need to pay anything. I mean, here nothing is. I mean, you don't need to spend your points for these products. So there are some options available. I mean, if you want to buy some kind of wallet, then obviously there is some wallet available, and there is some pouches available. But I was looking something mint scrub and aloe vera gel. So yes, so this is a good product. When you apply this product on your face becomes a little smooth and something very soft. So obviously this is my recommendation of today's products. So yeah, if you're talking about my recommendation for all these products, I will suggest to you, first is this toner, and then I would say this sunscreen lotion because the quantity is good. And what else? Yeah, this scrub. So obviously these are the product which is my recommendation. Alright guys, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please click on the like button and press on alright, so this is about the today's alright guys, so this is about the review of today's products. So if you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Alright, bye bye. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.